Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Yelanon brand furniture coasters. They are an 8-pack of coasters. So I'm going to just show you what they look like before we put them into place. Rubber. There's some ribbing here, we'll call it. That's going to help you keep it from sliding on wood and the furniture. So pretty big posts here, can fit in there, and that's the key. So we got an 8-pack. I think it comes in multiple variations of color and sizes, but we got the 8-pack of 3x3s. So we'll go ahead and show you how we use them. And so all you're going to do is stick them underneath and just place accordingly, and it should keep it from moving. And we'll show you the view underneath. Hopefully you can see that a little bit. And there you go. So hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.